How to remove multiple friends on Snapchat. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you remove multiple friends on Snapchat. To do it so, you have to first of all open up your Snapchat application and then log into your account. Next, you want to click on the profile or the Bitmoji icon from the top left corner. Scroll down a bit and go to My Friends section. Here, you'll be able to see all the friends that you have. And likewise, in order to remove them, you simply want to long press onto it or just go to the Manage Friendship option and click on Remove Friends and confirm it so. And once you've done it so, you've successfully removed friends. Similarly, if you want to remove multiple friends on Snapchat, like all at once or maybe to select multiple people, there is no specific option for that, any other application. So what you could do is here, you could go ahead and add a suggestion to Snapchat. For that, you want to exit out of this page, click the gear icon from the top right, scroll down a bit and you want to go to this support and feedback, right? Then you want to go to bugs and suggestion, click on make a suggestion and go to friends. After which you could go ahead and type in the suggestion as that you want such features, or you could go ahead and add in or give a suggestion and they will be able to look into your matter. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.